Hello, today I'd like to spend a little time discussing two-factor authentication or multi-factor authentication. Not all websites will provide the ability to utilize two-factor or multi-factor authentication, but we do advise that any that provide that option, you go ahead and set. 365 is one such site that we've already got you guys set up on, as well as the spam filter. I'll walk through what that looks like on the spam filter level. So let's take a look over here and navigate to my spam filter. I can hit my launch icon and then let MyKi autofill. Since this is already set up, it's going to automatically populate this code, and I can go ahead and click continue. If I click continue and it doesn't log in, what likely happened is that the code has been updated, as these codes change every 30 seconds. If it doesn't allow you to log in, come here into the MyKi desktop app and do a search for your spam filter. And then go ahead and locate this 6-digit number. As long as this is green, you have the most amount of time, orange, you have less, and red, I might as well wait for it to come back around for the new code. But once it's green again, you can just click on it and it'll copy that so that you can just paste in that new code and click continue. To add 2FA, it's going to be a little different for every site, but the fundamental process is select the password in question that you want to set up 2FA for. Let's go ahead and select this Amazon account just as a test. And then you'll click the 3 dots here and then click on Set Up 2FA. On that website, it will give you a secret key that you can paste in here, and then you would just click Save. I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of that. That's the best way to set it up. You can also click here and then do a 2FA, give it a nickname, and assign it. But when you do that, it's going to be unlinked, so it's not attached to anything, so we don't recommend doing it this way. Always come into the password and then select the 3 dots and do the 2FA. If you have any issues, give us a call and we'll be more than happy to walk you through that. Thank you so much.